Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create camera shake jitter effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First things first, drag the footages into the project timeline or sequence. Then analyze the footages. Trim them according to your need. After that, take an adjustment layer in the project bin and drag it above the first footage. Then keep the adjustment layer at 10 frames. Then go to Effects tab and search Transform. Drag it to the adjustment layer. Now, go to Effect Controls tab. Go to Transform Effect option. You have to apply the effect by using keyframes. Keep the mouse pointer at first frame of the adjustment layer. Then, from Effect Controls tab, set a position keyframe here. Then go to One Frame layer, set another keyframe, and move the footage to the left like this. Then One Frame layer, click the Position Reset button to reset the position. Then again, go to One Frame later, set another keyframe, and move the footage to the right like this. Then One Frame layer, click the Position Reset button to reset the position. Like that, keep going till the last frame and move the position of the footage. Then, set a scale keyframe at the first frame of the footage and set the scale value to 110 here. Then go to one frame before the last frame and set the scale value to 110. Then go to the last frame, then set the scale value to 100. Then, set the shutter angle value to 360. Now, play the video to check the effect. The basic shutter and jitter effect is done. Now you can use this as video transition. For that, duplicate the adjustment layer and keep it in between the footages. Make sure the adjustment layer is exactly at the middle of them like this. Now, click the adjustment layer and change its shutter angle value to 0. Then go to Effects tab, search Directional Blur and drag it to the new adjustment layer. Go to Effect Controls tab. From Directional Blur option, set a keyframe at first frame of the adjustment layer and set the blur length value to 40. Then One Frame layer, click the Blur Length Reset button to reset the blur length. Then again go to One Frame later. Set another keyframe and set the blur length value to 60. Like that, keep going till the last frame and change the blur length value accordingly till the last frame. Now, from Directional Blur option, set a keyframe at first frame of the adjustment layer and set the direction to 0 degree. Then in the middle of the layer, set the direction to 110 degrees. Then in the last frame of the layer, set the direction to 0 degree again. That's it! Now check the whole video to see if it worked or not. It worked! That's how you create camera shake jitter effect in Premiere Pro smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.